Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to upgrade the OpenBSD memory limits. By default, OpenBSD enforces limits on the maximum memory that application can use depending on the role of the user. This is a security feature because, for example, if you get a computer virus, it will use all the resources like crazy to do its nasty stuff. On an OpenBSD system, this process will be terminated because it is using too much resources. But as everyday user, the limits might be a little strict. By editing the file etc/login.conf, we can get the resource limit higher. First, let's add our user to the staff group that has higher resources than the standard username with the command usermod minus capital G staff username. Now let's modify the file to have a higher resource limit. You will need higher resources if you plan on using heavy 3D applications such as video editing software like KDN Live, or if you want to use a web browser with a lot of tabs open and video playback in background. The file is etc/login.conf. Let's go down to the staff group because as we added the user to the staff group, it is the line that we need to modify. Data size curl, it is the maximum size of the data. It should be the same as your computer RAM. I set 496 because on this virtual machine I have 4 gigabytes of memory RAM. Mass proc curl 512. It is the maximum number of processes available. Processes are all those lines that show up when you use the top or htop command. On Windows, they are all those processes when you open the task manager. Now, let's add 2 more lines about the maximum size of open files. Column open files minus q equal 496 column slash and another one open files maximum equals 800 192 column slash and another one stack size q equals 32 megs. Ignore login is right, require home and tc default, don't change them. Save by ctrl plus o, enter, exit and clean the screen. Now if we reboot the system, those changes will be permanent. And now you know how to get higher resource limits on an OpenBSD system. See you later, guys.